How to play Battle Royale mode on Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily select the mode. First of all, open the application. Now here you can see this play button. Tap on play. So this is the place where you can pick a mode. Here on the right hand side, there is this Battle Royale. Simply tap on Battle Royale and here use the power up that you want. So here I'm tapping on 1. At last, tap on let's go and you're all set to go. So what is Battle Royale? Here you'll be able to face different players in a very limited time. Here you'll be able to have or face a zone and you must kill others or try to find a way how you can survive longer. At last, the one remaining will win the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.